What's up? Welcome back to Fashion Upgrade. I wanted to share with you a green smoothie that I have been using for years, and all of the ingredients will be in the description box. We're first starting out with 1 bag of frozen kale and spinach, and then 1/2 of frozen banana, and I'm going to do a handful of the mango chunks. These are from the brand Simple Truth, and I purchased them from my local market, Kroger. I'm just going to be using the apples, probably about 3 to 4 apples. Most of all of the ingredients are organic. The almond milk is the only thing that's not organic. I am eyeballing the Simple Truth orange juice, as you've seen, and then eyeballing the unsweetened almond milk as well. I'm sorry, my hand's in the way. I didn't realize that until after I recorded it. And then I also eyeball the organic wheatgrass. This blend also has the spirulina in there. I personally added the spirulina, but I will link everything in the description box and where I purchased it from. This is a scoop of the marshmallow root. The scooper came in the bag, so I just basically just use that. And then I just take out, like, a pinch with my finger, and it's probably equivalent to a tablespoon of organic flaxseed, and then a chopped ginger root, you guys, and I let that blend. My blender is kind of, it's a lot of stuff packed in there, so I need to get a more, more cumbersome one, like a ninja or something like that. But yes, that's pretty much it. So once I stir it around and it gets to going, it's really smooth and creamy, and I just love it. And I've been using this for about good 3 to 4 years. Okay, you guys, be blessed. Until next time, take it easy. Peace.